just goes to show, you never know what you're gonna meet at Universal. Boom, boom, boom. I got a question. Have you seen the movie Nirvana, the band, the TV show, the movie? Oh, we got a rollback. What up, you guys? It's your tall guy. We're back at Universal Studios Hollywood. Hold on. We got DaylanLA in the vlog, in the chat today.
What's up, guys?
We're also joined by Brandon Instantland. Welcome to the vlog. We're back at Universal Studios Hollywood. Well, what do we want to see today? What do we want to do? All right, Fast and Furious round table testing. I want to see it. Testing. We're also going to ride in front row Jurassic Park. They didn't even know that. They didn't even know. It's a very hot day today. And King Kong 360 is now 2D 360, so that's cool. But let's just have a good time. So if you guys haven't done so already, don't forget to drop a like, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get to it. We have made it inside Daylan. It was 100 minutes for Transformers the ride on the directory up there. That's kind of nutty.
AC, everyone wants that AC.
It's gonna be busy today.
Oh,
How you doing today, guys?
All right.
It's spring break season.
I love it. Have a good one.
Opening summer of 2026, you guys. Ride vehicles are out. Well, not the ride vehicles, but prop vehicles are out. People are taking photos, man. This is gonna be so hyped here at Hollywood. Well, we're not giving up on hope yet. We could see the tail lights of the Supra back there on. Emergency lights are on, so you gotta wait. Doc, great Scott.
What can we have here?
How you doing?
Hello there, my friends.
Doc, I got a question. Have you seen the movie Nirvana, the band, the TV show, the movie?
Goodness, I wish that I could. I don't have time.
You haven't seen it? I got some homework
Tell me
because
about it.
they ripped you off, Doc.
What?
They
Ripping me off. I have to.
they
get
figured out a
patent
way.
immediately.
They figured out a way to use the flux capacitor in an RV.
They were thinking fourth dimensionally.
They couldn't do it if I didn't have enough speed. I'll have to look into this right away. Thank you for alerting me.
Yeah, it's crazy. Well, next time I see you, I'll bring you a bottle of Orbits. They say a bottle of Orbits has it's a lightning bolt in every bottle.
Wow, you don't say. I like the sound of that. That sounds very useful. Thank you, my friend. Wonderful.
Of course, Doc. Yeah, but watch the movie.
Thank you, my friend.
Yeah.
Thank you. Where are we headed next?
We're heading to the studio tour.
Well, you have just enough time. Don't let me...
Hello everyone, welcome.
What's your favorite movie? Favorite movie.
Well, Back to the Future is pretty kind.
We just saw Doc up there.
You did?
Yeah.
He was up there.
And then I asked him if he's seen the movie Nirvana, the band, the TV show, the movie.
Okay.
Have you seen it?
No.
All right, now you got homework to do.
Okay.
Because I don't want to spoil anything, but time travel is also involved in
I
there.
like good times.
Is anyone celebrating something like a birthday today? Birthday is on board? Oh, I see you guys in the back over there. Happy birthday! Cool.
When's your birthday?
Today.
All right.
Good
Is
answer.
anyone celebrating something else? Like maybe an anniversary? Oh,
What the-
your hands are in the air again. I like you with the hat. Your energy is incredible. Is anyone, okay, like another question, very important question. Anyone here with the first date? First dates? Yeah, I see you guys, car 3. I see you. Any last dates? Last dates, yeah. Ooh, I see.
Yes, we made a left turn. We made a left turn, finally.
So the intern of the hospital is the future.
Finally. Hill Valley, I missed you. There she is.
Great Scott!
You're from the future? You say you came here in a time machine that I invented?
Right, Doc, the bruise on your head, I know how that happened.
That happened this morning!
Right, Jace was saying that you were hanging the clock.
And I fell.
Exactly. He hit his head on the edge of a sink.
That's when I came up with the idea for the flux capacitor. Which
is what makes time travel possible.
All right, so you're from the future boy, back here in the past, in a time machine that I invented. So we just reload your time machine and send you on your way.
Doc, it doesn't run on gasoline, it runs on plutonium. You didn't pack enough plutonium.
Oh, so that's my fault. Plutonium. I suppose in the future, plutonium is sold in every corner drugstore. But here in 1955, it's a little hard to come by. Marty, I'm sorry, I'm afraid you're stuck here.
Wait, Doc, I can't be stuck. We can't be stuck here. We got life. We do. Doc, we we gotta go back. There's gotta be something we could do. Like it was plutonium because it was a power source.
A power source. How much power exactly? 1.21 gigawatts! How are we gonna create that kind of power? It can't be done. Can't.
What?
How are we gonna create power for plutonium? 1.21 gigawatts. The only thing equivalent to that is a bolt of lightning. Unfortunately, you never know when or where it's ever going to strike.
Let's talk about a bolt of lightning tonight.
This is it. This is the answer. It says here that a bolt of lightning will strike the clock tower at 10:04 p.m. That's a few hours from now. If we could somehow harness this lightning, channel it into the flux capacitor, it just might work. In just a few hours, future boy, we're sending you back to the future.
Well, you're gonna send her back too, right?
Maybe.
Well, you don't want to stay in 1955, right? It's terrible. Look, Doc, I'll hang out a few hours and you can show me around 55 and I can go back.
Wait, that's completely out of the question. You must not meet these stairs. You must not see anybody or talk to anybody, especially the 100 people standing in front of you with video cameras.
Right. Hey, wait, Sophia, you saw what happened with George and Lorraine. Was that bad?
Yes. Seems like they might go to the dance together, but I don't know.
Right.
Who's George and Lorraine?
Doc, they're my parents.
You interrupted your parents from meeting?
Right. And my mom had the hots for me.
Your mom might be in love with you a little bit.
Oh, this is
Calvin.
heavy.
There's that word again, heavy. Tell me, why are things so heavy in the future? Is there a problem with Earth's gravitational pull?
No, Doc, but wait a minute. What'll happen?
Give me that photograph again of your brother. Just as I thought, this proves my theory. Look at your brother. His head's gone.
Well, we're almost all gone. Look.
You're disappearing.
Because you interrupted your parents' first meeting. They will meet, fall in love, get married, or have kids.
Great. Well, what am I supposed to do?
Now you're going to introduce your father to your mother, and they have to kiss.
Wait, that dance you guys were talking about. What was the name of that dance? Enchantment Under the Sea. Right. That's where they kiss for the first time.
A rhythmic ceremonial ritual coming up.
English, Doc.
The fish under the sea dance, right?
Right.
Okay. So, stick your father like glue, make sure he takes your mother to the dance, and then they kiss.
Great. Okay, no pressure. Look, could you guys help out Doc with that experiment?
Yes.
Sophia, we gotta find George.
Parents.
Well, it's not like you're gonna disappear, but you'll help me out, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Can't have you disappear.
Okay, Doc, look, I'll see you in a few hours, okay?
Okay. Happy trails, future boy.
Okay, we gotta go.
Go, we gotta go to the dance. Go.
Okay. So originally, this clock was built in 1885. And it's gone off every hour, every week, every day, every month, and every year. So just because someone has a flyer saying it's going to be struck by lightning, do we really believe that? I know, I read it. So we'll work on what we call a weather experiment. So in case there's any police officers, flatfoot, security guards, simply say that Doc Brown is working on a weather experiment and slide him a $50 bill. Which is kind of a lot of money here in the 50s, but whatever. Possibly the equivalent of $527 in the future, give or take. Okay, see you in the future.
The original King Kong that made me want to direct movies, I saw that movie on TV.
Daylan, so you're gonna have those 3D glasses ready, but don't put them on yet.
Not yet.
Don't put them on yet.
Not ever.
Not ever again. Ever.
I like films that
It's
just
over. Alrighty, fresh off of the studio tour on our way to the Laurel to get on front row Jurassic Park. It is a very warm day today. Please hydrate when you can if it is very hot in the theme parks. No joke. But to talk about the studio tour, guys, it's awesome. Finally, it's been so long. It felt like a year since we've been able to go back to the Metro City and see the Back to the Future Hill Valley area. That was nice. As far as King Kong goes, if you ask me, honestly, it just felt like they flipped the switch from 3D to 2D. I don't see the big difference, and I don't see the draw. I think it's time for Kong well, that version of King Kong to go. You know what I mean? And to get our first HHN update of the season, psych, nothing yet. But we are gonna showcase that Jurassic Park stuff that's all down there. So ladies and gentlemen, 2 days ago, Monday at 12 p.m., Universal decided to host some dress rehearsals for the Jurassic Park experience. Now, we've all been saying and speculating this could all be for FanFest nights. No confirmation just yet from Universal, but from the people that were here, what they saw, we basically almost got the full experience. I don't think everything is complete just yet, but we got a good look of Ian Malcolm, Dennis Nedry, and John Hammond himself. And the fact that they have a Raptor, little show moment over there with, you know, all the Jurassic World Park team members is crazy. So from the videos that you saw, who are you excited to meet?
Dennis Nedry.
What are you gonna tell Dennis Nedry when you see him?
We're gonna be like, Dodson, we got Dodson over here. Nobody cares. Man, the people that actually went, you guys are lucky, bro.
Yeah.
You guys are lucky. But honestly, I think it's gonna be a different animal at night.
Yeah, it's gonna be
different
such a.
experience at night.
Look at all the lighting rigs they got set up, bro.
Yeah, right.
It screams FanFest nights.
We
We're
gotta
close.
wait.
We are currently in line for Jurassic World, and if you guys know this queue, we're in the 4th unit of the switchbacks here. Way down there is the boarding. There goes the boat on the lift hill. There goes DLA, Instantland, in for a 55-minute wait on this very hot 95-degree weather day. Y'all thought we were kidding. Y'all thought we were lying about the front row, huh?
I'm ready.
I told this guy, if you really want to get wet, front row, left side.
In the age of the dinosaurs, a vast ocean was home to an explosion of life. At the top of the food chain sat the Mosasaurus, apex predator of the deep. You're clear for entry.
Oh, we get hella wet here too. Get out of the way! Incoming! No! What? No! No way. Indominus is under wraps. How sad. Oh well. Alice, we got the T-Rex. Alice, we got the T-Rex.
That's okay. That's okay.
Oh, it's not over. It's not over yet. Oh, pesky raptors. From the Starway. It's so cool. Look at them views. Wow. From the Starway, Daylan. From the Starway. She's coming back. She's coming back. Woo! It's drifting, bro. Oh! We got a rollback. We got a rollback, baby. I don't know if you guys can see, but like the emergency lights are on for the car, which is kind of funny. Hey, what'd you say earlier? What'd you say earlier?
Buddy, you can't park there. You can't park there.
Here's another train coming. It's just stalled. That's how LA traffic starts, you know what I mean? They got LA traffic scenarios on Hollywood Drift. Looks like AAA services have arrived to get her back on track. And we're rolling back. Oh, we're gaining momentum. There it is. Oh, that's sick. Here we go. Money shot. That's tight. That's tight. Yo, so crazy story. We actually ran into Big Justice. Boy, Instantland got a quick pick, bro. There's the Polaroid coming into clutch.
Yes, sir.
Dude, that is awesome. We just met Big Justice. Boom! On a side note, you know, this will be your first year at FanFest since you didn't get to attend last year.
Go last year.
All right, so for what you've seen so far, what are you excited for?
I'm excited for Scooby-Doo versus the Universal Monsters.
Right on, right
I
on.
think that's a genius idea. Whoever came up with that, give that man a raise. Or woman, whoever it is.
Parisian Courtyard, bro.
What's that?
Parisian Courtyard. That's where we're heading.
That's where we're heading?
Yeah, Parisian Courtyard. That's gonna be a great photograph area for you.
Oh, yeah, bro.
Yeah. Sick.
Always got to get some good photos. But yeah, for FanFest, I'm hyped to see Dungeons and Dragons. Like, I'm glad that they brought it back because I saw videos of it last year.
And of all the photos, I'm truly excited to see what comes out of that thing. Are you bringing this one to FanFest nights?
Of course I'm bringing something.
Yeah. Who do we just meet right now?
Bro,
Who do we just ran into the Costco guys? Well, they started off as the Costco guys. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We give it 5 big booms for that meet and greet. He got a sick ass photo with his Polaroid. You got both of them.
I got both.
Dude, that's gonna be a sick vlog
Check
for
it
you.
out.
Check out his Polaroids, guys. This is gonna be crazy. Hey, but I got 5 big booms with Big AJ. That was cool. This goes to show, you never know what you're gonna meet at Universal. Never know. Never know. All right.
You want a great picture? Come on, guys.
Yeah, can we just do a boom together? That's cool with you?
I got it right there. You ready?
Yeah. All right, you got it? Boom! 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 All right, you guys, that's gonna do it for today's vlog. What do we give this vlog? 5 big booms. I can't believe we just said that on the video, bro. We saw it. Hey, that was tight. A little bit of updates today, nothing too crazy, but awesome hanging out with these guys. So with that being said, don't forget to drop your tog on like, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to subscribe to these guys as well. Instantland, DaylanLA. You'll catch these guys, well, this tall guy and these guys at the next theme park. We are out of here. Goodbye.
How did pig tracks get on the ceiling?
Can it swing from the lid? No, we can't, because he's a pig. Look out, here comes the spider pig.